Salute. On Art of Dialogue, literally Joe Brown, Judge Joe Brown to be exact, let me put some respect on his name, literally addressed Kamala Harris. And he does it in such a gangster mannerism in a way where he don't hold back on the history of Kamala Harris. He basically said that Trump was right in everything that he said about Kamala Harris. And he also told a story about how it was some embezzlement going on with some money, and she let the person go free after taking about a total of $15 million from him and some other celebrities. And so, what I got from that was that he have a disdain for her because that situation and circumstances. By him being a judge and sitting on the bench, he know the law. So the lack of accountability in that situation has made him literally lash out, meaning that he study her moves and study the things that she do. And he opened up and just went in. And as you guys can see in the thumbnail, her father is ju- uh actually an Indian, and her mother is an Indian. And I think where people get it misconstrued is that when people say she's not black, they're not using the correct term. They're not using the correct term. Her complexion is black. However, she's not United States of American black, African American black, color American black. She's Indian. Her skin complexion is dark, but she's not of heritage of the American color folks in the country. So I think people get it misconstrued when they say that she's not black. And I think that people take narratives and they run with the narratives based upon the information that's being presented. Yes, she's black. If you look at her skin complexion, she's a color person. But she was brought up in the 60s, the 70s. Her family didn't have to deal with the struggle. They got the benefits of immigrants. And so her whole college may have been free based upon benefits, that immigrants get when they come to this country. So that's the disconnect that she had from the American black community. She came in, she was born here, but her parents were immigrants. Or I don't know if she was born here or not, but her parents was immigrants, and she's one generation away from actually the country of India. And that makes a huge difference in how a person is raised, the things that they see, and how can they connect with a community. So when people say she's black, they mean that. They mean that she's not black American. They mean that she's not color, American color. Meaning that she's not anything that the Negroes in America went through in history. Her ancestors didn't have to go through that. That's not her culture. That's not her background. But she's playing the card because of her skin complexion, and she getting the pass by the women voters, and she getting the pass because women want to put her in office because she's a female to make history, not because her track record, not because what she have done. So the Democrats, they literally, they put this in place because they understood that it was going to cause a lot of division, and they know that Trump is very outspoken. Sometimes he speak and say things, and that don't be his intent. However, it come out with a certain delivery, straight direct approach, and they take it and they run with it. So I totally get and I understand what Judge Joe Brown was saying, and I totally get the fact that people get it misconstrued that she's black, but she's not American black. You know what I'm saying? So I totally get it all, the total understanding of it, that she came in and received immigrant benefits. Therefore, that's why the borders open. Therefore, that's why the media just pushed the narrative of her allowing the first illegal immigrant to become legal in the country and become an attorney, because that's the agenda of that side of the token. That side of the token is about immigration and open borders, and they're about all type of different things. And so, since Trump stand on certain type of ideals, they're not going to put any of his positives out there. And if they say things, when Trump said she's not black, he wasn't saying that she wasn't black complexion wise. He was saying that she's not American. She can't connect with the American black culture because she never claimed that. She never claimed to be a part of the American black culture. So I hope that hopefully I just cleared that up because Joe Brown went in on her. You know, he went on her, and I I I won't disrespect her and say the things he said about her, but I don't. I agree she's not black. I don't think that she got experience as a politician. But however, I think that as people go to get in this riff about who they're gonna vote for, I just hope people understand that the electoral votes decide who's the president. Your vote is only for the popular vote, and I'm gonna keep on elaborating that in every video because I don't want a presidential election to cause a division when your vote really only to determine who's the popular candidate out of the two. Salute and thank you guys for rocking with the channel. And check this out. Uh, I got a couple of videos in regards to Kamala Harris, but they're not being pushed out there in the algorithm, and that's cool. But if you get opportunity, go check them out. Salute.